let's do an unboxing or unmailering. Let's just open this up. Let's do that. All right, y'all. Let's go. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering what this is, and it's a good question. So let's get to the backstory about what's in this particular mailer. Goes all the way back to 2013 when I was working with Rampage Comics. I was blessed enough to be tasked with writing a comic book for Rampage Jackson. Yes, that Rampage Jackson.
Via left hook to the jaw, one punch, everything else was just unnecessary.
It's dangerous. He's got to get out.
Trying. Oh, Dan, I told you. He'd pick him up and slam him to the ground.
He's out. He's out. He's knocked him out. Unbelievable.
So when I was writing this comic book, I ended up building the friendship with Rampage, and as the years went by and everything like that, we got really cool. And as I embarked on this new journey of mine, I last year, 2021, I sent him a Christmas card from the company, Foresight Studio, and he was like, "Yo, this is dope. I would like to get a coloring book." And I was like, "Well, I would like to create a coloring book for you." And we had some talks, some meetings, and we came up with this concept. Basically, it's this Capcom style adventure that Rampage goes on to fight these insane fighters in a far off land. So that being said, worked on the story, worked way too long on the art, and what I mean by that is I should have had this done earlier, but you know, work, life, all those types of things kept interfering. But we finally got it done and out at the end of November, and I just got my review copies right here. So what I want to do today is I want to go ahead and open this up and just kind of look over the contents and show you guys what we got. And if you want to go ahead and get this book, it's called Rampage Jackson's Big Brawl, and it will be linked in the description below. It's available exclusively on Amazon as of right now. It's not even on the website just yet because it's Christmas time. I wouldn't get stock until late, so I'm going to put it up on the website in January. So it'll be available on the Foresight Studio website in January. But right now, you can go on Amazon. Link is linked below, and you can go ahead and click that link and order a copy. So without further ado, let's get into tearing this apart. Well, the mailer. Not the books inside. You know what I mean. We're gonna tear everything. We're gonna open this up and see what's inside. Yes, that's super sealed containers. Right. Open this up. Woo! There they go. There they go, there they go, there they go. So here it is, fam. This is Rampage Jackson's Big Brawl. It is a nice chunky boy. It's a nice coloring book that we've created, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. Basically, like I said before, it's my man Rampage goes on a quest to win this fighting tournament in this far off land, but there's sinister happenings going on, and he's going to get caught up in all of that. This is the first in a 3-issue series that we're going to do. And obviously these are coloring comic books. So what that basically means is that it's a comic book and a coloring book at the same time. So you get words, you get panels, you get all kinds of cool stuff. It's nothing but action-packed adventure, fight scenes, you name it, it's in there. It's really just a bunch of fighting. We wanted to make a fighter book for a fighter, and we definitely did here. And just wanted to shout out everybody that made that possible. And first and foremost, got to shout out my man Rampage Jackson, my friend, and you know, just wanted to thank him for trusting me and Foresight Studio with putting this together, you know, and making this vision come true. Definitely got to shout out Isaac Reed, because man, that's my brother from another mother, even though he gets on my nerves sometimes. But I don't know if I could have, you know, pulled this off without his help, guidance. He's and you know, everything. Basically, he helped put this together. So definitely wanted to shout Ike out. Thank you, bro. Shout outs, you know, to the interns, to Lamar, just for, you know, being good people and helping out where you can. And definitely with the promotion and everything like that. So again, now this book you may see on certain shelves of certain stores sometimes. Some bookstores will probably get a hold of it. Some of my local vendors, or not local vendors, some of my vendors down south will be getting copies soon. So it's going to be out all over. And but I definitely want you guys to really you know, take some time and check this book out. It's available on Amazon, and let's just look inside. You want to look inside? Let's look inside. All right, gang, let's look inside real quick and just kind of see what we got going on in here. And you can tell these are pretty nice sized pages. Obviously, you see it's created for if you want to use markers. So we have the page on the back side blacked out, and that's by design, so that, you know, you use like markers or colored pencils or even watercolor. And big bold imaging. The blacks came through perfectly and just super dark. Very happy with how it came out. Yeah, so just a quick view through. And again, you get, you know, some panel work. Oh, let's find some panels real quick. Here we go. So get some panel work, and then see right there. Then of course you're getting these splash pages, lettering, words, dialogue. It's the whole story. So definitely something if you haven't gotten that Christmas present yet, definitely something you should order. So there you have it, fam. Rampage Jackson's Big Brawl. It's the latest comic coloring book from Foresight Publishing, Foresight Studio. I wrote the story, drew the story, did the lettering, put the whole book together. And again, thanks for Rampage for entrusting me with his likeness and creating a story for him. And shout outs to Ike for helping conceive this story. Wouldn't have been able to have done it without you, brother. And just really thank you to all the subscribers and the fans. And again, this is available on Amazon. Click the link, go order your copy today. With that being said, it's your boy DKG72, and I'm out. Get the book.